Good morning, everyone. Today, in class 6 Social Science, we will learn our second chapter, Maps. You all know about maps. When you travel by road from one place to another, you come across milestones which you read. Arrange the various places from your village according to distance in the table and draw a map of the route. Here, we will learn about maps. When you travel from your home village to another village, there comes milestone. Milestone means kilometer, which indicating kilometers. You know, one type of pillar in the right side of road. This is called milestone. Now do activity here. From your village to another village, you draw a route map. And what villages or which villages come between two places from your village and destination village, you write it. A map can be defined as two-dimensional representation of whole or part of the earth drawn to scale on a flat surface. Map is a scale which is drawn on flat surface. We came to know the exact feature of particular region through maps. The components of a map are direction, scale, and conventional signs. Here we will learn about maps. Map is drawn on flat paper. You all have seen map like India, state, district. So map is drawn on paper. We will later in this chapter see various maps. Things to know. The word map is derived from the Latin word mappa, which means a piece of handkerchief. Make a list of the maps in your school library and write down the information which each map provides in the table below. Now you can write about maps from searching internet. Because our school is closed now, you can take information from various sites or from internet. So map is a representation of any place on the paper. When you want to draw a village, all area, you have to make understand any other person from making it on paper. So map is representation of any area, any kind of themes, etc. Here are various type of maps. First is Gujarat. Here is Gujarat. Gujarat is our state. Second is map is of India. And always remember that in the map above line above direction is always north. So this is south, this is east, and this is west. And here is also a map, Gujarat's map, and this is world's map. Things to know. National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization NATMO is situated in Kolkata. This institution creates the maps including thematic maps like rainfall distribution of Gujarat. So, NATMO creates various maps of India. It is situated in Kolkata, West Bengal, in the east side of India. Now write down various directions. The main components of the map: direction, scale, and conventional signs. In maps, three things we can see. Direction. Direction in the map, the above direction is always north. Scale. We minimize kilometers or miles in inches or centimeters or millimeters. Conventional signs, various sites like capital, forest, river, mountain, etc. signs, we represent it by making various signs on maps. Fill in the blanks. You are aware of directions: east blank, north blank. The sun rises in the blank and sets in the blank. Now stand facing the blank, then exactly behind you is the west. You have to fill in the blanks by guessing it. Take a compass and find out the north and south direction. Then find out the direction of the school gate, post office, dispensary, library, river, pond, bridge, etc. Fill in the table given below using your compass. So here you have to do activity. Always remember, in the map, above side is north direction. So from this you fill these blanks. The sun always rises from east, so opposite is west. Here are things. If map is put like this, above is north. So opposite of north is south. And this is east. Opposite of this west. West and north, northwest. North and east, northeast. South and east, southeast. West and south, southwest. These are 8 types of directions. Here you can see the above side means when you put map in front of you, above side is always north and opposite of north is south. And from right side it is called east and left side is always west. So like this we can understand various places like India is in south in Asia and North America, this is in north, South America, this is in south. Africa is in east and Pacific Ocean is in west. This is our Earth's globe. On globe, various countries we can see. So this side is always called north. So this is North India, this is South India, this is West India, this is East India. So various places, countries are all can be seen on this globe. This is India's map. You know, various states you can see here. Here is our Gujarat. Gujarat is situated in west side of west direction of India. This is our Kutch district. And this side is always north. You know, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Delhi, etc. called North India. This is Gujarat. These are various states of India. This is called South India. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all are in South India. And this is East India. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Aizawl, Mizoram. This is Central India, MP. This is India's physical map, you know, thematic map. This is physical map. Various thematic maps can be made for rainfall, for plains, for rivers, for physical, for political, for demographic, for anything. These are directions. These are representation of various places on map. First is called country capital type symbol. Second, state symbol. Here various type of symbols are here. This is major tourist center. This indicates distance in Kimi. This is river. This is sea route, roads. So here in map we learn various things, and thus you also practice it by drawing maps of your village, your street, and from two places, etc., and put symbols of various things. You can put a symbol of river by drawing blue line, or mountain by black round, etc. Okay, goodbye.